Benefits of conical filter technology versus parallel filter technology. A conical element offers significant benefits over an equivalent parallel element. Both of these filter units use 9 cartridges. There is a significant increase in the free area when using a conical type filter element. The velocity of dust-laden air is lower as it rises between the conical filter elements. This gives lower dust load onto the elements and less dust re-entrainment during cleaning. During pulse cleaning, the conical shape helps to maintain the velocity of cleaning air, ensuring effective cleaning right down the cartridge. Multi-valve cleaning maintains constant differential pressures, extending filter life and lowering running costs. This is an identical application. The parallel elements only operated for 1,170 working hours. The conical elements are still operating at 4,600 working hours. The benefits of using Dustcheck's conical filter technology are quite significant. They give better cleaning efficiency. Conical technology gives lower differential pressures and maintains higher extraction rates. Your unit will require less maintenance. You extend the life of your cartridges. The overall whole-of-life cost is lower. For further information on any of Dustcheck's products, please get in touch.